Good evening, everyone. This is HB Maverick, and we are at Hot August Nights. Today we are at the Bonanza Casino for a Prostrate Cancer Foundation Fundraiser. There are more than 150 vehicles here, including some very nice hot rods, classic cars, sports cars, trucks, and more. You just saw one of my favorite cars of the show, the Las Vegas Raiders themed Chevy. Let me know in the comments if you had a car in the show, or which one is your favorite. We will take a look at these classics now. Only saw one Lowrider at the show, but what a beautiful Chevy Impala. This vehicle has a great paint job, nice wheels, and hydraulics. This will be a joy to see driving down the road. Here are a few of the highly modified hot rods at the show with small frames, lightweight, and a high horsepower engine to make them go. always, there are lots of muscle cars at these car shows, and this one did not disappoint. All the different types of cars are scattered throughout. So as you're walking through the show, you always find some interesting vehicles. Thank you for joining us at one of the Hot August night events at the Bonanza Casino. We will have many more videos coming your way of the greatest car show in Northern Nevada. We're glad to come to the show and hope you all enjoyed it as much as we did. Put in the comments if your vehicle was at the show, and if not, put in the comments which vehicle is your favorite. Be sure to watch the slideshow at the end of this video and see photos of some of the awesome cars here. Like this video, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you at the next Hot August Nights event.